Hi, this is Dia. Do you know every secure system follows just three rules: authentication, authorization, and accounting. Authentication, this is about verifying who you are. For example, when you enter your username and password, the system checks your identity. Second, authorization. Now the system decides what you are allowed to do. Just because you logged in doesn't mean you can access everything. And third one is accounting. This is about tracking your activity. The system keeps records of what you did, like login time, commands used, or files accessed. This helps in monitoring and security auditing. When you log into Instagram, authentication, you enter username and password. Authorization, you can only access your account, not others. Accounting, Instagram tracks your activity like login time, action, etc. So, in short, authentication, who are you? Authorization, what can you do? And accounting, what did you do?